Do you know that the more applications you send out, the higher your chances are of landing a job within 30 days? What if I told you you could send out hundreds of applications in 1 month with only the push of a button? Sounds amazing, right? With Lightforth's AutoApply feature, it's possible. In this video, I'll show you how to use this game-changing feature step by step. Hi, I'm Troy from Lightforth, and I'm here to help you make job searching faster and easier with Lightforth. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up and use the AutoApply feature, customize it to match your preferences, and maximize your job applications effortlessly. Let's get started. Step 1. Log in to your Lightforth account. Start by logging into your Lightforth account. If you're new to the platform, create an account, verify your email, and complete your profile setup. It's quick and easy. Step 2. Navigate to the AutoApply section. Once you're logged in, go to the dashboard and look for the AutoApply section. This is where you'll set up and manage the feature. Step 3. Set your job preferences. To ensure Lightforth applies for jobs that match your career goals, set your job preferences. These include desired job title, preferred industries, location preferences, salary expectations. Don't forget to save your preferences after filling them in. Pro tip: the more specific you are, the better Lightforth can tailor job applications to your needs. Step 4. Download and set up the Lightforth AutoApply Chrome extension. Before you enable AutoApply, you'll need to download the Lightforth Chrome extension. Open your browser and go to the Chrome Extension Manager. Search for Lightforth AutoApply and click Add to Chrome. Alternatively, click the link on your dashboard to download the extension directly. Once downloaded, log into your Lightforth account through the extension. The extension will then connect to your LinkedIn account, allowing it to start running AutoApply seamlessly. Step 5. Monitor and adjust applications. Keep track of your applications in the Job Applications section of the dashboard. Here you can view which jobs Lightforth has applied to. Adjust your preferences if needed. Pause or stop the AutoApply feature anytime. Pro tip: check your application history regularly to stay informed and update your preferences if your career goals change. Step 6. Optimize your resume for each application. Before Lightforth starts applying to jobs, make sure your resume is ready to stand out. Click on the Resume Builder tab in your dashboard to add relevant keywords tailored to your job preferences. Customize your resume to highlight key achievements and experience. A strong optimized resume increases your chances of getting noticed by employers. Pro tip: use Lightforth's AI suggestions in the Resume Builder to ensure your resume aligns perfectly with the roles you are targeting. Bonus tips: enable notifications to get updates when applications are sent out or when you receive interview invitations. Regularly update your job preferences and resume to ensure you're targeting the best opportunities. What are you waiting for? Log in and turn on AutoApply on Lightforth today. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips on landing your dream job. See you next time.